Public meetings in Hawaii have the go-ahead to start with a prayer. Good evening, I'm Paula Akana.
And I'm Yunchi Denise. It's a landmark decision from the Supreme Court and could settle years of debate. KITV4's Catherine Cruz has our top story.
When is a prayer not a prayer? The U.S. Supreme Court says, among other things, when government doesn't coerce others to participate. Hawaii's House says it hasn't been an issue there.
I think actually the Supreme Court illuminates what the House of Representatives already does. So we're very glad with the decision. We think it's absolutely in line with what we do.
Wherever we are, God is.
The key is we don't allow members to proselytize. That means they're not forcing anyone else to convert to their religion. We do it with respect, and we don't disparage any other religion.
But when Senate leadership did away with the invocation, the lone Republican made a point of mentioning God in some way every day.
God bless America. God bless Hawaii.
I close the session every day, and so I've had a prayer every day in those 4 years.
Benefits to the churches.
The issue came to a head at Honolulu Hale 4 years ago when Mitch Kale and Holly Huber of Hawaii Citizens for the Separation of Church and State complained about the mostly Christian prayers before Honolulu City Council meetings. Under threat of a lawsuit, the invocation then became known as the Message of Aloha. Council Chair Ernie Martin said current policy prohibits messages that address a specific deity or faith. But he said Council may modify that policy in light of the Supreme Court decision. Senator Sloan is hoping the Senate reconsiders too.
I think we need some political spine to do these things and to stand up for the values and things that I would suggest that the vast majority of people in our community and nationally want to have again.
The Senate has been overly cautious after Mitch Kale scuffled with Senate security. He filed a complaint that was settled at taxpayers' expense. The House hopes with the added weight of the High Court decision, other government entities will follow its lead.
We don't need taxpayers to foot a $100,000 or $250,000 bill for a First Amendment concern here at the legislature.
Now, State Attorney General David Louie said today's decision provides the legislatures with more freedom with respect to prayer, but still imposes significant boundaries that may not be crossed. The American Civil Liberties Union said it's disappointed with the ruling. Calls to Mitch Kale and Huber weren't returned. Back to you.